Welcome everybody here in Puerto Portales, one of the most beautiful ports of the Balearics. We are today at the official event and the opening of our new office here together with San Lorenzo and Lengers Yachts. And we have a treat. We're going to show you the Bluegame 54. So the world premiere is right here and right now. Welcome. So the first thing which I noticed when I step on board of this yacht, small yacht, is the beam. We have 5 meters beam, and that is something for 54, very large, for a 54 feet yacht. The layout is completely new. What Bluegame, under the leading of Luca Santella, the designer of Bluegame and the founder of Bluegame, has always had the concept and the philosophy of having contact directly with the water. And that's why they've always had the beach club as a main priority. Here we have the beach club connected with an outside kitchen, fully equipped with an ice maker, with a kitchen, with a teppanyaki, and with a normally cooking top and a sink. So all of that together on a 54 and a private beach club with a hydraulic platform and a gangway, which is also your swimming ladder, is unbeatable. This is the yacht for the season, guys. So we directly go up into the second part of the outside space. And here we have the so-called the saloon of the boat. As you directly see, it's very spacious, but also very well put together. So here we see the foldable part of the table, which doubles the size of the table, as you can see, and it's the perfect height. So to have a normal lunch, to have a normal dinner, but also to work with your laptop. If you're with a family, need to do some business or whatever, you can do your meetings here. It's such a versatile table, and also the area is nice. You're outside, under the shade. You get the wind from the side, of course, and the back. Very nice to be able to sit here with the whole family. Personally, I'm a very big Formula 1 fan. So we have a television here, which drops down, and that is something which is really cool. I mean, we're outside on a 54 open boat, and we can watch the Grand Prix from outside. That's cool. So fully equipped outside space. The helm station is remarkable. As I'm standing here, I have complete overview of the bow and of the stern. The 2 touchscreens from Garmin. We could equip the boat with a camera on the stern, so you have a view here of what the stern is doing, but personally you have a fantastic view. I can see the stern directly and the bow as well. So with the joystick, the IPS Volvo Penta, it's equipped with the IPS 950, 2 times 625 horsepower. So the maximum speed will be 35 knots. You'll be cruising at around 28 knots approximately. We have a bow thruster. Because we have a fairly enclosed, as we see, a fairly enclosed wheelhouse, we also have AC here and heating. So in the winter you're able to cruise or do crossovers. You can close this part of the outside space with a strata glass connected here on the ceiling and around, and have your heating or air conditioning from this position. This specific Bluegame 54 is also equipped with the panels up on the hardtop, which open and close as well. So it's such a versatile yacht. We can comfortably cruise this boat with good weather, bad weather, and actually the whole year. Moving forward, you see a fantastic bow area. It's such a comfortable space for family and friends, for kids to play around. But technically speaking, what Bluegame has done from the start, and what they've done in a very, very good way, is to separate the winches. So we have here the mooring line winches covered. There are a couple of concepts which I really want to show you, and why I said in the beginning it's a small super yacht, and you really get that feeling on this boat. And why is that? We have very high bulwarks. Gives a lot of safety feeling. Even when you're with kids on board, the bulwarks completely protects them from falling in the water. This hardtop has a negative line, as we see. It's typical for Bluegame. and Luca Santella's artistic style, as we see also on the SX line of San Lorenzo, which is the mother company of Bluegame. The negative line of the window is not only for the looks, it's also effectiveness. Because of the negative line, the sun never goes inside and will not heat up the panels, making sure that the inside is very cool at all times. This hardtop is equipped with a searchlight and is also an optional to have a FLIR camera. So we can cruise with this Bluegame in the middle of the night. The engine room is unbelievably well engineered. We see of course the two Volvo Penta IPS 950 engines with the pods directly connected to the engines. We have the Kohler generator on the port side of the engine room, and we have the Seakeeper in the front of just behind the engines, very well equipped. I have to say the finishing of the engine room is something which I always look at first when I come in a boat, and I have to say that it's an amazing job. You really see that, of course Bluegame is engineering it, but there's a lot of thought in the layout of the engine room, and also the engineering genius within San Lorenzo shipyard and Bluegame shipyard are working very well together. I mean, this takes some experience to make an engine room like this. So coming down here, who would have thought that we are on an open boat when we see this area? We have a fully equipped kitchen here with an oven, a dishwasher, 4 induction cooking tops. And then if we go into the cabins, the only 54 in the market with a full beam real owner's cabin. We have a lot of closet space with hanging for here, a lot of hanging space here. We never have enough space on a boat, we never have enough storage. However, they've done a very good job in making sure that every single centimeter has been used effectively. Another with shelves, I see a safe over there. And here we have more storage with shelves, double shelves, presumably under the bed. Huge storage space for the suitcase. The bathroom, fully equipped. Beautiful rain shower with a small seat. You can sit down when it's a bit heavy or choppy weather. You can still sit and have a shower. Tecma toilet, top quality. Moving forward into the guest cabin, the VIP as we call it in this double cabin layout configuration, as Bluegame offers proposals for 2 or 3 cabin layout for a 54-footer. Again, large storage space, good closet with hanging capacity, and again, under the bed, huge storage space. Here we have the day head and the bathroom, which is used by the VIP, so direct access from this side. Here we see also the Tecma toilet, very well thought of, seat, perfect size. So here we go up to the sun pad on the roof. What sets the Bluegame apart from any other of this size range? We have a Flybridge. Well, we have a sun pad on the hardtop, which is super cool. It's amazing to lie down, but on the other hand, personally I would enjoy jumping off this. So with the stairs directly connected to the wheelhouse, stairs up, you can lie down, full privacy here, or of course jump off the hardtop. It's really cool, it's nice to have, and I think that it's a well usage of space. So I'm proud to have presented you the Bluegame 54. Absolutely a head-turning design, unparalleled spaces. Everything on this boat is a wow factor. I definitely encourage everybody to come and see this boat by yourself. It's now in Portals, we'll be in Mallorca this season. Give us a call, I would love to meet you. Ciao.